just worked out, so we are feeling good about that. But I was feeling very like sticky and like low energy. I had my coffee, I had a lot of water this morning, just playing with this blade, not a good idea. I just felt really meh. So I'm glad that I pushed through and did the workout to the best of my ability. So I'm gonna make a shake, I think. What am I gonna put in there though? Probably just mango, spinach, banana, whatever I have. I just like to put it in the blender. Clean out my closet today. Now I don't feel like it. Classic. It was so gloomy and I had this like energy. I'm like, I'm gonna clean out my closet today. This is just what I need to do. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I instead ended up just having a date with myself. I went for a super long walk. I got my nails done. I just got like a regular shellac. It's like a pinky, more so nude. Basically every single week I want to do a weekly vlog, but the week starts and I am dying. Like by Monday night, I'm dead. I always want to wake up at 7. I want to do a workout. It doesn't happen. I can never do the workout in the morning because I always need the extra sleep. And then I leave the house by 9 and I'm usually home by 9:30. So there really isn't too much time in there for me to vlog and to share anything. If it's gonna be a vlog, it's gonna be me going on a subway and then coming home. So I have to go to the grocery store. I love a good Trader Joe's trip. I currently have like 4 things in my fridge, so I really need to go today. I really want to clean out my closet. It is just so jam-packed in there. It's gross. Like I can't get in there. There's so much stuff in there and I really don't like to have things that I don't use, and there's really no space for me to hold on to things. So it's just the day for me to take the things out. The rain has just stopped right now and I don't want to get caught in the rain and I want snacks. So I think the order of events will be grocery shop, get the food, and then clean out the closet. And hopefully I can do the closet clean out really quickly because I don't want to spend the whole day doing that. Okay, it's literally an hour later and I'm finally leaving the house. I'm putting on my socks and I will leave the house. I've just been like amazed by the weather. I honestly feel like kind of out of it mentally. I have just been amazed by the weather. I'm like, oh, it's sunny now. And then I'm like, oh, it's cloudy now. Like, hello, wake up. I'm so gonna make a matcha after I come home. And honestly, I'm like, what do I need from the grocery store? But then I open my fridge and I'm like, I only have like spinach and eggs and feta cheese. I should get some more things. This is my way of saying I am leaving the house because I have my socks on, so we're going. I bought a bunch of snacks, which I usually don't let myself do, but I felt like it, so I did it. I'll start with the produce. I got some kale, I got spinach. I always get spinach. I got some Persian cucumbers. My favorite fruit, best fruit ever. I love raspberries. I usually get them frozen. They were out of all the frozen fruit. I wanted frozen mangoes so bad. They were out, so I just got some fresh raspberries because we love. I got 2 grapefruit. I also got some GJ grapefruit juice. I don't think anyone should call it GJ, but why not? I love this. It's just 100% grapefruit juice and I love it. It's my favorite. I also got 2 bananas. Got some baby beet to throw in salads. Got some goat cheese. I love goat cheese on egg or on salad. And then I got some crumbled goat cheese because this is just easier for salad. I never really get spreads because I don't like to have things to like snack instead of eating meals because I know myself and I know if I have things like dip and chips, I will eat this instead of lunch, or I'll just like eat this while I do something and I end up overeating and then not eating something healthy for lunch or dinner. I do it all the time if I have it. So I usually don't buy some kind of dip or some kind of chip to avoid eating that instead of a proper nutritious meal. So I got this thing of hummus, organic hummus, and some chips. So I got these two to go together. I have to get this every time I go to Trader Joe's. It's my favorite snack. I love this. It's the organic olive oil popcorn. And then another snack. I got a lot of snacks. I usually do like 1 or 2. This time I got like 6. Chili spice mango, my favorite invention ever. And this is new. I honestly just like threw this in the cart because it reminded me of like ketchup chips. And ketchup chips are my favorite thing ever. They're Canadian if you didn't know, and they're so freaking good. These are just oven baked cheese bites with tomato and chili. I hope it's yummy. I love cheese, anything cheese, so I feel like this will be good. Got this big thing of Honeycrisp apples. I eat an apple every single day with peanut butter. This is honestly something I eat every single day. So I needed that. I got some rosemary crisps, just like crackers. I also got some chicken breast, which I will cook tonight. And I am running very low on wild rice. So I got this pack of wild rice. For the first time, I tried sweet green 2 months ago. I have been obsessed ever since. It's honestly just a salad place, like a normal salad place, but it's so good. It's so fresh. I go to the one in Soho because my internship is in Soho, and it's my favorite lunch spot, but I've been obsessed with this harvest bowl that is so easy to make, and it's just the ingredients that I eat every single day, just in like different things. So I'm like, I'm gonna make a harvest bowl at home, and that's why I had to get a thing of wild rice because I'm obsessed with this and I need to eat it every single day. I also got a kombucha because I love kombucha. And then I picked up a couple things from Whole Foods. I got this Oatly barista blend, which I usually don't like to do because I feel like they have more preservatives. This seems okay based off the ingredients, but I usually try not do it, and I could be making it up, but it was just all they had, and I only use a little bit in my coffee in the morning because I love it. So it's very lazy of me to get a salad dressing. I usually make my own. Just got this lemon tahini dressing, and then I just got this sourdough. I had to get some Banza rotini. I eat this once a week. This is my quick and easy dinner. I'll have this with chicken and pesto sauce, and it's ready in 5 minutes, and it's so filling, and I don't feel gross from it. So this is my like comfort food when I'm exhausted and I want to eat something and not get Chipotle or like the unhealthy gyro place. It's honestly crazy how much grocery shopping makes me happy. Like, I'm just stoked to have this in my house right now. I'm very excited on the different things that I can eat and prepare, and I just feel like I have my life together. But I do want to try this because I've never had it. Honestly, not that different from the regular cheese bites. It has a little bit of a spice. Oh, I also got some smoked paprika because I shattered mine yesterday for 0 reason, but it just fell in my sink and I needed some more. I'm gonna make an afternoon matcha. Progress. This is the keep pile. I still have some more clothes in my closet that are like newer. I know I'm keeping them. This is the pile that I will be selling. What's funny is like these are such beautiful pieces that I was once so in love with. Like this dress, I was obsessed with it. I bought it I think like 3 years ago. I actually never wore it. I think I'm not really into my boho floral phase anymore. So those all need to be, I think I'm going to sell them on the RealReal just because they are like higher end brands. And then I'm gonna donate all of this because I just do not wear any of these pieces, and they are all taking up space in my closet. So unfortunately, they need to go. I know it is time for them to find a new home because there's no point in keeping things. Like, I considered getting rid of this last time. I was like, oh, it's so pretty, but I never wore it. These are gonna go. Some jeans. I have like 4 pairs of jeans in here, some coats, and I think we did good. This is really hard for me to get rid of. It's this like realization par dress I wore it for my 22nd birthday. I honestly never wore it since, and I always sell my birthday dresses, but that one I was just like, no, I'm finally selling it. So this is where we're at right now. I'm gonna go back into the closet and start putting things away. Monday. I spent so much time with the closet clean out. It just took so long. I didn't end up making that harvest bowl that I was craving because of the sweet potato. I was just like, I don't want to wait and cook the sweet potato and take out the pan and do that whole thing. And then I was so tired, I actually like never finished off the vlog, but my closet, so much better. Everything is organized. I purged so much. Like, I have a massive bag that I am getting rid of, and then I have a lot of clothes. They're over there. All those clothes I'm gonna send to the Real. I'm just so amazed at how much my style has changed, and like the pieces that basically like 3 years ago I was so in love with, and I was like, I'm never gonna get rid of this. It's my favorite thing ever. I just look at it, I'm like, I haven't worn this ever. Like, why did I even buy it? I love doing closet clean outs. It just like makes me feel so much better with having less, but like loving the things that I have. And I'll show you guys the closet. It gets way too dark, so I can't actually show you the closet. Like, if I try to show you the bottom, it's just like a dark black hole. And then up there, I actually didn't go look in there, but I have bins of storage that you guys saw behind this as well. So I think it's just like organized a lot better. And I have like the sweaters that I'm reaching for now, and I have more folded, and then some like jackets and blazers back there, and it's just way more organized, and I am so happy with how much I got rid of, basically. And then I have more clothes here. This is all new Zara stuff, newer Zara stuff. I'll show you guys these. Ugh, I don't know if I want to keep this. I have these clothes that I am going to return. I got this bomber jacket from Mango, and it doesn't look good on me. Like, I am a bomber jacket person, but it needs to be more cropped because this is massive on me. So I need to return that back to Mango. And then I have these pieces from Zara that I didn't even need to try on. I was like, okay, this is not cute. This little bodysuit, these pants that are way too big. And then this like tie-dye shirt that I'm not sure why I bought. And then I also got this. I think this little vest top is really cute. I would keep this if I wasn't planning on keeping this one. I didn't even try it on, but I like the look and color of this more. And it does feel nicer, so I'm gonna keep that, return this. This I thought was cute when I bought it, but now I'm like, I am not really gonna wear this. So I'm gonna return this as well. And then I have some pieces that are newer. I'm gonna do a haul. I love everything here. I'm also planning some styling videos, so I need these on this rack. And then this is the big, it's such a big bag, like I can't carry this, of clothes that I am no longer keeping. And they're all really cute. I just will not wear them, so they need to go. I have to go to my internship. I am not wearing any makeup, very barefaced, and I'm wearing a comfortable outfit. I'm gonna chug some water and then we'll start this Monday. I'm just gonna show you what the bomber jacket looks like. As you can see, it's a little too G for me. I thought about wearing it with like just like a mini skirt and having it be, you know, like cool and oversized, but it's just not my vibe. It's a little too sporty for me. This is another top that I'm gonna return to Zara. It's a Van Gogh painting, but like printed on mesh. I have enough mesh tops and I really only wear them once and then never wear them again. I'm gonna return that too. And then these pieces will be out of the apartment. Dehydrated and I keep drinking water, but I think it's because I have coffee in the morning and I'm just like dehydrated all day long because of it. It is now Tuesday. Last night when I got home around like 9:30. I was so tired. My face feels very bloated, so I'm using this gua sha, which I'm like obsessed with because for some reason it just like feels so relaxing, but I like don't want to do it as I'm doing this because it's just weird and I already did that. It's currently 8:35. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. I went to bed at 10. I like it. I was shocked that I was just like ready to go. I had my alarm set for 6 a.m., but I was like, let's just wake up because I can't fall back asleep. And I hate laying there trying to sleep when I know I have to be up in like an hour. But exciting news, Kane is coming. Kane is coming in like, he's probably gonna be here in under an hour and I'm so excited. I can't really spend the day with him because I still have to go to my internship and I have class again until 9. I am pretty hungry. I wanna have avocado toast with grapefruit, but I think I'll just wait for Kane to come and then we can have a little breakfast together like the good old days. So yeah, you know, one thing I don't own is a blow dryer. And like I never blow dry my hair and I'm starting to think maybe it's a good idea for me to get one because just like waiting for my hair to dry can take a really long time and it prevents me from showering in the morning a lot. During the week, I shower at night because if I shower during the day, it takes so long. But today I did wake up earlier, so I can get away with just sitting here, doing my work, studying and planning and organizing. You know how it goes. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry.